Hey guys, today's video is going to be about the apps and games of the week. So let me show you the first app of the week. The first app and games of the week will be the Google goggles. Once you open up the app, you may think that it's a normal camera, but it allows you to scan QR codes. QR codes look something like this, and you can use your phone and scan the QR code. Well, you must put it at the right distance at your scan. And yeah, after you have scanned, it will appear below on your screen, on your mobile screen, and once you click onto the link below, it will bring you to the apps that I'm going to show you, which is the Google goggles, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the Google goggles app. Please download it, as I'm going to put the QR codes in my video so that you can download it by scanning the QR code on the screen. So the next one will be a game called the Moon Chaser. So let me open up this app. Once you open up the app, it looks something like this. It only has one game mode, and it's just play. You can get it for free at the Android market. So you just got to tap the screen to start. So that means this game, you can complete this. You can't complete this game. Okay, it's like you got to reach as far as possible when the moon is up. When the moon is, the moon is gone. That means at night, you will automatically lose the game. So you do something like this. I'm not really that good in games, so don't blame it on me. Haha. So you can see the moon from behind. Once the moon gets smaller, it means that the time is up. It will become darker and darker also. So I reach mountain 2. You can see it's getting darker and the moon is getting smaller. So once the moon is actually gone and turning into a circle, you will actually finish the game. So this is the game. Another app that I'm going to show you is actually Project INF. It allows you to play multiplayer games on your phone. So it requires 3G connection or Wi-Fi connection. I'm going to show you inside. It has different mode. You got Team Flat mode, and you also have the Team Deathmatch. So you can create up to 6 characters, and so you can see there's 6 characters and 1 character created. When you make a character, you can choose different different character, like so-called different rank or something. You have a scout, marine, and don't read that, and medic. So it has different job. It's something like job, whatever. So basically it has different functions. Different. How should I say it? It's something like different skills. Okay. So let's start. So once you are in the game, you can actually type in the chat like this. Let's say you want to type anything, you can just type like this. And you also can throw some grenades and shield. You can actually have it in different levels. So yeah, when you go to a higher level, you can get more and more. Now I got flash. Yeah, and this is the guy that have the flag. Yeah, so you actually get what I mean. The next app that I'm going to show you guys is actually Plume. It's a Twitter app that allows you to go on your Twitter and have Twitter updates. What I love about this app is actually that it has widgets, and it has a very nice widgets. Let me show it to you. Okay, this is how the Plume Twitter widgets look like, and it's scrollable only to ADW launcher, Go launcher, and some other launcher. You can try it by your own. But for touch widgets by Samsung, you can't actually do it. So this is the app. You can scroll through and your home screen, and I think it's a pretty cool app. You can just update a Twitter update by doing this. Hello. Okay, so just send. It's pretty easy and pretty fast. So this is the Plume app that I'm going to show you guys over here. The next app that I'm going to show you is actually the Go Keyboard. Go Keyboard is a keyboard that allows you to change your your own keyboard that you don't really like. Maybe a keyboard is by Samsung or whatever brand you have, and it actually allows you to change it. So let me show you. Once you have changed your keyboard, it will look something like this. Yeah. So the keyboard looks something like this. You can of course change the style and the background of this keyboard by going to the settings. So let me go to the Go Keyboard settings. So here's the Go Keyboard. Okay, so you can enable Go Keyboard sound and vibrate. That means you can change the sound or all those settings that you like to play with. You also can have things like input settings, input language settings, theme settings. Okay, so in the theme settings you can change the auto keyboard transparency and all those type of thing, like the font size. Yeah, so this is the Go Keyboard. I think it's a pretty good app for the keyboard, and it actually gives you quite a lot of space when you're typing. Yeah, you can see. So this is the Go Keyboard app. The next one that I'm going to show you is actually the X Formula. It's a game, it's a type of racing game that is free on the market, and I think it's pretty good. So when you guys start up this app, you have Garage, Shops, Achievements, Options, Profile, Pro Race, Career, and Quick Race. So as an example of this game, I think I should show you guys the Quick Race. So it's starting up. Yeah, so I just randomly choose a map and race. This apps this game has a lot of 3D, 3D effects, but I think that it may lag in some phones, so it's not suitable if you have a phone that is not really that fast. And yeah, so let me show you this app, or maybe this game. It's a pretty fun game, I would say. Nice car, do anything. So when you're driving, you can scroll up to actually launch the boost, or maybe you can say something else. But you're gonna turn it off when you are overheating it, and it's based on the control is not like something like this. Okay, I don't know how to say it, but you get what I mean. So you can do different type of thing. You can also drift if you want. And you must avoid those type of thing, or you will actually reboot your system. It looks something like this. You can start the boost, or maybe nitro you can call it, by scrolling it down. Yeah, and once you have this charge, you have a hyper boost where you can tap on it and it will boost, something like this. So this is the app, this is the game that I'm going to show you, and I think it's pretty fun. So go ahead and download it. So the next app that I'm going to show you guys is actually the widget locker. It's actually a home lock screen replacement. So you can replace the lock screen. You can change a lot of things. You can add things like custom slider, applications, and shortcuts. And one more thing will be the widgets. Yeah. So the custom slider, you can change your custom slider. Maybe you want Android one, maybe you can download even more types by going to the XDA. You can even change the function of this slide. Here you go. When you slide it to here, you can actually change the function. Maybe you can disable it. You can choose the widget locker actions. So yeah, this is the widget locker. However, this is a paid app, so you gotta pay for it when you actually want it. So this is the widget locker that I'm going to show you, and you can go ahead and download it. The next app that I'm going to show you is the Go Weather. It's a pretty good weather app. So when it's starting, you have this Go Weather version something. Okay, you can see that this is the weather. You can see that it has cool animation behind, and you can have the slide up thing where it tells you all those more detailed stuff. So this is the Go Weather. The next app that I'm going to show you is actually a game called Rocket Bunnies. So there is actually different levels, so let me play with the level 1. Okay, this game basically needs you to actually like fly from planets to planets just to get all the carrots for your, I think, bunnies or maybe something. So it's actually getting the carrots, all those things, all the stuff. Anyway, I'm not really good at explaining to it, so I think I'm going to show you the gameplay, okay? Okay, wow, okay, whatever. Bunnies are hungry. Yeah, and yeah, the bunnies is out. So before you leave home, learn to boost, whatever. So it's actually like a tutorial. Okay, so that means you got to tap from here, tap this thing, so that you can travel to the other planet. So you can see that there's a boost zone below. So when you reach the boost zone, you just got to click onto the planet and you actually boost towards it. So you see this, tap, and you see the boost below, and yeah, it's done, and click. So you basically get what I mean, okay? As you move on, it's going to be harder and harder. I'm just going to tap. So it's done, and your level complete. There's a lot of level in this game that will keep you entertained, so I think it's a pretty good app, so go ahead and try to download it. So the next app that I'm going to show you is actually a game called Jewels. Okay, basically it looks something like Jewels. It's like a puzzle game, and maybe not. So there are different type of game. There are a few types of gameplay. One is called action, one is classic, and one is endless. So recently I played the endless, so you can actually pause and save and exit the game if you want to. So let me resume the game. So basically this game allows you to actually think more. So it looks something like this, and you got to like make sure that there are 3 diamonds in the same color together. So for example like this, yeah, and all those stuff. If you have 4 diamonds in a row, you actually have, if you do 4 diamonds in a row, you actually have this orange color glitter thing over here that's glowing. So if you have, let's say, 1 of them glowing and 3 of them in a row, you actually explode and kill most of the diamonds. If you actually got lost, you can press the hint button over here and it show you some hints. And when you want to leave, you can just click the pause and save and exit. So this is the end of the apps and games of the week. So please support me by hitting the subscribe button above, and I'll be making a video every Friday. So you can actually stay tuned to it, and I'll upload a new video every Friday. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and actually this is my first time doing this type of video, so you guys can give me some ideas or maybe improvements that I can do to make this video better. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video very much, and stay tuned to my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.